Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create folders in Microsoft Loop. Organizing your content in Microsoft Loop is essential for efficient collaboration and easy access to information. While the application doesn't currently support traditional folder structures within workspaces, you can effectively manage and categorize your Loop components using the methods I am definitely going to show you. On the main dashboard of the Microsoft Loop, locate and click on the Create New button, which is at the top left navigation panel. And once you click on that, you're going to see an option that says New Workspace. So go ahead and click on New Workspace. Once you click on that, enter a descriptive name for your workspace that reflects the category or project it represents. So here I'm going to make this editing. Then hit the create button to establish the new workspace. So within your newly created workspace, go ahead and click on this icon, all right, that's within this. All right, that's fine. So go ahead and click on this plus icon that is here, and you see this option that says in current workspace, click page. So go ahead and select page. When you select page, then you can now create a new page within. So this is a page. Now title your page appropriately to indicate its content and purpose. So here is going to be the editor. Now populate the page with relevant Loop components such as tables, lists, or paragraphs. So just whatever you want to do, click on this plus icon, and once you click on this plus icon right next to it, you can just apply any of the Loop components just to make sure that your work is cool. So copy everything workspace. Okay. I don't know. So click on that. Now you have blank page, project brief, team decision, project planning, meeting notes. Just populate it. Now, by creating multiple workspaces tailored to different categories or projects, you can simulate a folder-like structure, keeping related information grouped together. So let's say this is a folder, just populate it, then you can click on the plus icon again and add another page. All right, create new, add another page, or let's say this is a page that exists here. So I'm just going to click on this to open this page, and I'm going to rename it to be, let's say this page is going to be for graphics. I don't know, my loop is kind of having issues. Oh, all right. Got it, got it. All right, so this loop is currently having an issue, but let's say you have renamed this. Go ahead and keep adding more pages, and once that is organized, it gives you a folder like structure. So just keeping related information grouped together, like I said. Then you can also leverage tags and consistent naming conventions. So implement tags. Like Microsoft Loop doesn't have a built-in tagging system, you can just manually add tags within page titles or content. For example, you can prefix page titles within tags like project name or departments to indicate their association. Okay. You can also adopt consistent naming conventions to develop a standardized naming system for your pages and companies to ensure uniformity. For instance, you can use you can add a project name, the tax details, and the date as a format for page titles, and that just pretty much organizes your folder like that. So consistent use of tags and naming conventions enhances searchability and organization within the app. You can also use external storage links, so integrate OneDrive or SharePoint. If you have related documents or files stored externally, you can create hyperlinks within your Loop pages to those resources. So copy the shareable link of a folder or file from OneDrive or SharePoint, and in your Loop page, highlight the text where you want to insert the link. And once you highlight the text, click on the link icon and just paste the URL in there. And this method allows you to reference and access external folders or files directly from your Loop components, creating a cohesive workflow. So by implementing the strategies, you can be sure to effectively organize your content in Microsoft Loop, ensuring a streamlined and efficient collaborative environment. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.